Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I bring you a limited edition smartphone for you, and this is the Xiaomi 13 special color edition, and this time we have the red color, and we will have a very quick unboxing video, and we will talk on the appearance and specification about this model and this limited color edition from Xiaomi 13. First, let's check the books. It's a very simple design book. It's a pure white color. In the front of the books, we can find the Xiaomi logo and also the Leica logo and also the model name. So this is co-engineered with Leica and Xiaomi. And this time here we got the Xiaomi 13 Fire Red edition, 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM, and this time Xiaomi they provide five special limited colors: the cerament gray, the white green, the hurricane yellow, and also the diamond blue, and also the fire red. So today we get the most attractive one, the red color. And next I'm going to open it and let's check what's inside this box. So I'll have to open it, get another small package. Here is the SIM card pin, here eject SIM card ejector, and also here is the basic information about also the safety information about this device, and also they provide I think this is a transparent soft plastic case. Yeah, so this is a kind of cheap normal soft plastic case. Okay, let's put it aside first. And here the smartphone is here. Okay, so whoa, this is a red color. And before we check the smartphone, let's check other stuff, the rest stuff. Here is the cable. So this is a Type-C to USB cable they provide. Okay, and also here is a charger. This time for the 13 normal edition they provide standard edition, and the special color edition they provide a 67-watt fast charger. So this is all the stuff inside the box. And the next, let's go to the today's main role, the smartphone, the 13 wild red color. The peel of the screen protector. Oh, nice. And remove the label. Okay, now so now the red color Xiaomi 13 is in front of us. Oh, the color is so shining, and the red color is so nice, so beautiful, just like the racing car colors, like the Ferrari. So this is so nice. And this phone only open for sale on the Xiaomi official channels, so all the other third-party channels cannot buy it. As we can see, it inherits the main design of the 13 series, the camera zoom, the back panel, the size, and also the screen, another framework. Yes, almost same like the 13 Pro, but just the color is so really attractive, just like race cars, and also the shining framework with the shining back panel to make this phone look so shining and so attractive, so fashion. So if you have a Ferrari, or you have racing cars, you take these with the cars. It looks so nice. Yes, so this is about the design and about the red color of these phones. And also next we're going to talk on the specification about this limited edition. Okay, so first let's go to the front, and yes, let's talk about the screen, and this time to provide a 6.36-inch high quality screen, and all the bezels are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 sides. They have the same bezels, very narrow bezels, and also it's a straight screen, not curved screen, and it have a 93.3 full screen to body ratio, screen full display screen, and also is the bezel is only 1.61 mm, and with the shining main framework, it looks so beautiful. I mean the screen, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 sides are same, the same narrow bezels. So this is pretty cool about screen, and also this time to provide they use the new generation material of the screen, and it support 120 Hz refresh rate, and also this can reach to peak brightness 1300 nit, and also it have support 413 ppi for this screen. And yes, we can change the refresh rate here. It support higher and standard customized. We can choose 60 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate, and so this is a very high end and very good performance screen used for the Xiaomi 13. And I think we can go to the white to check the narrow bezels about the smartphone. Yeah, you can find four side same narrow bezels, so this is pretty cool, and also it's a small punch hole camera to use. This is about the screen, and also we can also talk on the go to settings to check the specification, the processor specifications about this device. Here my device, and this time they use the MIUI 14 version, and also here they use the second generation Snapdragon 8 flagship processor. It support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, and it's a full blood RAM, and also it supports the FBO, the expand ROM technology. It's average 12 plus 500 and 12 RAM and ROM, and the RAM can expand it to 15 gigabytes, and also you can find that the CPU can support maximum to 3.19 gigahertz, and it's octa-core producing technology for the Snapdragon second generation processor. So this is also very high-end specifications about the device, about the processor. Next we can talk on the charging part, because this time though it's a narrow and slim and thin smartphones provide, but it have 4500 big batteries, and also it support 67 watt cable fast charger, and also 50 watt wireless fast charger, and also it support 10 watt reverse wireless charger for this device, and also there is a built-in Xiaomi on-developed manager system, battery manager system. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, and when I hold it in my hand, I feel it's so comfortable and very easy to control it with one hand. So the size is really nice, not so big. 6.36 nanometers is nice. And also next we can talk on the camera part, and because this time they also they also work with Leica to provide the camera solutions. It's have a Leica professional optical lens, and also the main one, and we can find it here. Find the Leica information here. Is provide a 50 megapixel Leica main camera, and they support 75 mm long focal, and also the 110 megapixel wide angle. Sorry, is 12 megapixel wide angle and 10 megapixel like long focus camera system. And they support there from 0.6 to 3.2 zoom performance, optical zoom performance, and they support digital zoom performance 30 times. So this is for the camera, and for the front camera, it's our punch hole screen, and the camera is a 32 megapixel Super HD front camera. We can get some samples here. So this is the front one. We go to the photo, yeah, and we can front, and then we can switch to the real camera system, normal, wide angle, 3. Okay, we can put a object here. This is the 3.2 optical zoom performance. Yeah, 1, 0.6 wide angle, and then we can go to the digital 30 times zoom performance. Yeah, and also we can go the pro lens, taking stunning photos with pro lens, and we can find Leica. Here is Leica mode, Leica vibrate, Leica authentic. So it's Leica. Also here is the pro mode, professional mode, the provide 50 megapixel vlog, so motion, short videos, super moon, dual videos. Here are the professional functions to provide. Yeah, so this is the main features about this device, the Xiaomi 13 special red colors. And besides this phone is also IP68 phones. It can do waterproof and dust proof. It's also can use as a car keys. So this is pretty nice because the color and design is really nice, just like the racing cars. If you use these to unlock your racing cars, so this will be pretty cool, and it looks so balanced. So this is very nice. Such a stunning color phones from Xiaomi. They worked with Leica, and also the special color is very unique. It's so unique. Yeah, so this is about the main introduction about this device, the red color Xiaomi 13. So what do you think of such a device? Do you like the colors? Or if you have a racing car, you would consider it to buy it? Or okay, let me know your comment. Leave your comment here, and thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.